Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. In this video, I will be solving selective questions from IIT JAM 2013 stat paper for you. You will be given more of the solutions for IIT JAM papers in the next video. So keep checking our channel and stay tuned. Let's start with question number 17. In question number 17, we are given a function such that f of x is equals to x square for x belonging to q and alpha x plus beta for x belonging to r minus q, where alpha and beta are real constants. Now limit n tends to 0, function of 1 plus hn minus function of 1 by hn. This is for x equals to 1, and we take hn belongings to r minus q. So this equals to alpha multiplied by 1 by hn plus beta minus 1 by hn equals to alpha plus beta minus 1 plus alpha hn by hn. This equals to alpha plus beta minus 1 by hn plus alpha. Let me add a page. This gives us alpha plus beta minus 1 is equals to 0. So alpha plus beta is equals to 1. Now f dash 1 is equals to limit alpha hn by hn is equals to alpha. Now limit hn tends to 0 for f1 plus hn minus f of 1 by hn for we take hn belongs to q. This equals to 1 plus hn whole square minus 1 by hn, and this gives us hn square plus 2hn by hn is equals to hn plus 2 is equals to 2. So alpha is equals to 2, beta is equals to minus 1. So 3 alpha plus beta is equals to 5. So our answer is 5. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your problems. For more videos, you can keep checking our channels. You will find more solutions of IIT JAM stat papers there. Thank you for watching again.